All right, here's a workaround for an issue that came up once I actually started using this, which was that when you send the batch email, it does not have the closing, images and text that you have on a normal email. So what I did is I created a Word document and included the closing. And then I realized that actually we don't even need, once you have this, you don't even need to start the email in Outlook. You can just start it right from the Word document. So this is just a saved Word document on my desktop. And if you click on mailings, and then you go to start a mail merge and select email message so that this becomes an email message. And then you go to select recipients and then go down and choose from your Outlook contacts. It will take you to the folders that you have in your contacts. So if I was going to send an email to my off cycle or my probationary, I'm not sure why I don't see my high cycle on here, but either way, if I was going to send it to my off cycle staff, then they're all selected here. I could go in and I could remove individuals if I did not want them selected. And once I select OK, now that is my email that I will finish. Then the rest of the process is similar to what I showed you before, where you would enter a greeting line. So I would do it this way, and I would select OK. And then remember, I can come up here and I can do preview of results, and I can click through and I can see each person's name there in the upper left-hand corner to make sure that my list is right. I can go in and type whatever I want to. And when I'm finished, you select just finish and merge, send email message. You'll get this option. Just click OK. And there you go. I would then, when I'm finished, I would just delete this one and it will send off with the text of this email, but that would keep my original blank Word document for making future emails. I hope this workaround makes sense. And if there are other things that come up that you'd like me to problem solve, let me know.